Hey tubers, do you know how hard it is to do something with your left hand when you're right-handed and vice versa? I can't stop thinking about that, working on this 10 Mini Cooper. No, Mini Coupe. Okay, R56. Now, what I have to do here is I have to use my left hand to go around the fuse box because of the location of the fuse box. It's very awkward to do it with the right hand, and that's why my complaint, I can't handle it. I swear to God, I can't handle it. All right, back to business. The codes are quite obvious. This is a failed CAS module. These are the codes from the CAS module, which is the immobilizer. Okay, we're gonna pull it out, see if we can fix it. The module. Thank you.